Ooh. Smoke. Well, I was really thinking about making a move, and then all those jakes came in here. You can actually see them right back there, and those hens met up with them too. So they're all grouped up over there on the edge of the field. I'll probably give this another 45 minutes, just to see what happens. If a longbeard comes in this field, it's a pretty good chance that he'll come check these decoys out. But this wind is whipping. I'm talking about it's probably worse today than yesterday. I'm not even sure you can hear me. Alright, I'm at the new farm. Sit right there. Not sure how far I can make it back here. You can hear that creek, but I'm gonna get me something to eat first. And then head back there real slow. It's time. We're gonna kill one. Well, I'm working my way real slow into this property, and I did see a turkey out in that field. I'm not sure what it was, but that creek's up. There's a log going across it back there. I'd get across it if I have to, but it's started raining again, so. Alright, well, I was able to cross that creek. I saw a turkey over here in that food plot. I don't know what it was, but I crossed the log. So I'm set up on a point, and everything that comes in this field, if anything, should see my decoys. So it's 4 o'clock. We're gonna sit till dark. They're not goblins, so that's all I know to do. Let's do it. I'm just glad to be out here. It finally quit raining. Got a pretty... Good morning. Today I'm set up in a makeshift blind in the same little field I was hunting yesterday. I hunted way down yonder. Way down there yesterday. But I wanted to get right here because I'm kind of on a point that they can see my decoys that way in front of me and this way. But I've got a couple goblin right up yonder on a ridge. They're not gobbling a whole lot, but hopefully they'll want to come out in this field. So I'm gonna sit here as long as I can. Since they're not gobbling that great, this is the only thing I know to do to try to kill one. It's just wait them out. But today's the only decent day for gobbling weather so far. It's about 45 degrees. There's no wind right now, but it's supposed to pick up later, so hopefully the good Lord will bless us with a gobbler. Today we put our work in, so let's see what happens. Thank you, Lord. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I was sitting here. I see his hooks from here. He's a good one. Shot that turkey about 13 yards, but I'm cold. I spotted those turkeys. I heard one gobble, and it was probably these turkeys, but I thought it was out in front of me, and I can't, I'm shaking. And I thought I heard one gobble, and I was contemplating on getting up and moving and going after him, and then I was just about to stick my head out this window to yelp. And I look over there and I see 3 black spots on my edge of the timber over here. There's a Anyway, I yelped to him, and the one I shot answered. I think he was the dominant bird. I'm sorry, I can't stop shaking. And anyway, they worked all the way over here. Did just like shooting a deer. Ooh, smoke. He didn't stand a chance. Oh man, every time that I've gone out of state hunting, I always kill on the third day. Man. And it's the third day. But anyway, they worked all the way over here, probably, I don't know, 300 to 400 yards. And I gotta stop. I gotta calm down. Whew. If you're a turkey hunter, you know what I'm experiencing right now. Whew. Just give me a second. And I got my glass call, and I yelled at him one time, and he answered me, and I could tell they were interested in coming over here, so I quit. I left them alone. But I might have messed this fan up. He was kind of semi-strutting when I shot him, but there's a big old pile of feathers out there. That sucker, he didn't stand a chance. But his old water was all swollen and red. But let me calm down. Yeah, I can't wait to show y'all this daggone deer stand I'm hunting out of. Alright, let's go check this bird out. Good grief at the feathers. He's a good bird. Nice fan. Man. That's what I was hunting in. Finally, day 3, got it done. Alright, I'm fixing to get my stuff together and get some pictures of him. Actually, I got to call him in to put a tag on him first. What a beautiful day, man. Big dead gobbler in my background. Can't ask for much more. Day 3. We're gonna work on getting a second one tomorrow. You can only kill one a day here in Kentucky. So, man, I really didn't know if it was gonna happen, and I say that every time I kill a turkey, and it's true. You might not kill one. You know, you pay all that money for an out-of-state tag and do everything that you're supposed to do, that you feel like you need to do to kill one. But it came together for me. Thank you, good Lord. I'll show you this blind real quick I was hunting out of. This just happened to be here on the edge of this point. I set up here because my decoy set up. You can see it from that way down a field that goes in that way, that big field, and this one right here. It's kind of a turkey foot, if you will. But look, from where they were, they couldn't skylight you. That'd be about it right there. That's something else there. So, man, I appreciate y'all tuning in again to Redline Outdoors. Y'all hit that subscribe button. Man, I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. It's just sitting there about 970. So if you would, man, subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button and the notification bell, and hopefully I'll get one more edit while I'm here in Kentucky. Hopefully the good Lord will bless me with another turkey before I go. So if not, we did what we came here to do. Got us a big, mature tom. Y'all have a good day.